Hey, this is Seth from Avantone Pro. I'm here at American Musical Supply showing off the CV12BLA. This is a joint project between Avantone and Blackline Audio where we work together to design a microphone based off the wildly popular CV12 microphone. So it retains the look and the body of the original Avantone CV12, but we worked with Blackline for them to really spruce it up and hot rod it as if it was a modded microphone. So what we did is we did a lot of component swapping, a lot of circuit changes. We would send sound files back and forth, a lot of hours and weeks, months worth of prototyping back and forth between the two companies until we came out with the CV12BLA. So let's start at the top, and what we got is a custom-made capsule. We went up to a 34 millimeter edge-terminated capsule that really has this really nice bottom end. It's really big sounding. That's up from the original 32 millimeter that the CV12 used. Circuit-wise, Blackline Audio designed a really hi-fi, really clean circuit. So it's designed to have this really natural sound to it. So it just doesn't distort as easily as most tube microphones do. So you can really get on the microphone. It just sounds really big and massive and really present when you get up on it. The proximity effect is just really fantastic. And if you want that really massive sound out of a microphone, this is a way to go. Then we have the PS12BLA, which was Blackline modified the original CV12 power supply to be lower noise, and it allows you to actually run higher gain if you need to without worrying about tube noise going into your preamp or into your interface nearly as easily. That was one thing that they really specialize in is power supply design. So, you know, they took their swing at that and really helped us get a really low noise tube microphone. And the last thing that's really special about this microphone is the Jetson shock mount. So this shock mount obviously looks very different than the normal microphone shock mount that you're used to seeing. Instead of using elastic bands, the shock mounting is based around a material called sorbethane, which is a vibration resistant rubber. So there's actually sorbethane between all mechanical joints on this, so it actually absorbs all the vibration into the sorbethane itself. One thing that's special about this, though, is the amount of mass built into the shock mount. So normally shock mounts allow the microphone to actually move completely separately from the air around it. So if you were to, let's say, blow on a microphone, technically the capsule is losing some energy into the movement of the microphone because it's not being absorbed by the shock mount. What we did is we took the opposite approach, which is an approach that a couple of different companies are experimenting with now, and we're getting fantastic results where the vibration is actually absorbed due to a huge amount of mass because of how heavy the shock mount is. So the more energy is used for the capsule to be absorbed into the capsule, so you're actually once again getting a better signal to noise ratio because you're not losing energy to microphone movement. So between the mass of the shock mount as well as the vibration resistant properties of the sorbethane, you've got this really fantastic shock mount that looks different but works far superior to the traditional band style shock mounting. This is already available and you can check it out at americanmusical.com.